How to get Facebook Marketplace back. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, make sure you have the latest version of Facebook application. So go to Play Store and then search for Facebook. Make sure you have the open button instead of update button. If you have the update button, uh, tap on it and get the latest version of Facebook. After that, go to Facebook and then tap on your profile icon. Then go to settings and privacy. After that, go to settings. Now, in this preference section, go to tab bar. Now go to customize the bar. And here in this hidden section, you will see marketplace. Drag down this hidden button and then select auto. Go back and then refresh your feed. Now your marketplace should appear over here. If it does not, go back again, go to settings and privacy, settings, tab bar, customize the bar, and then instead of auto, make sure it is pin. And when you go back and then scroll it, refresh your Facebook, and now you will be able to see marketplace in your Facebook again. So here it is. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.